In the kitchen, guys. In the kitchen with Stephanie Wilson Barber. Today we're going to do a simple pepper steak recipe. When you cook a pepper steak, these are all the seasoning and ingredients I'm going to use. But it's very important, the meat makes the pepper steak, sirloin steak strips. So what I'm going to do is put my pot on low heat. And then I'm going to wash off. Okay guys, I'm going to put a little minced garlic in. Oh, let's do 2 spoons. We don't want it to taste too garlicky. Put a little garlic in. Then what we're going to do is already washed off the meat. Let's put our meat in, get all that flavor, stir around with the garlic. This will be a fast, simple 30-minute recipe for your family. My favorite ingredient, as you have seen in previous videos, is my secret recipe, my Old Bay. Everything I cook, I put a little Old Bay. And just sprinkle in to choice. Put your Old Bay in. Put a little bit more. And you will not taste the Old Bay once it all cooked down. Definitely would need a little black pepper. That should be enough. Adobo. It's cooking really good. Okay. Let's stir this around a little bit. Can you see this, camera woman? Okay. And we have it on a medium heat, guys. Medium heat. I love to use a little complete. We're going to let this cook down. A little complete. And some people use savory sauce and Worcestershire sauce. We're not going to do that today. We're going to use some pure Heinz gravy. Okay. Let's get this seasoned all. Then we're going to let that cook. And I will be back. Okay, guys. Look how good this steak look. I did add 2 tablespoons of butter just to keep the pan nice and moist. Now I'm going to add my peppers and onions. Let that simmer a little bit. Okay. Let that cook about 10 minutes, okay? What I think I'm going to do is add a little bit more oil. I cooked the steak for about 15 minutes. Then cooked this, all the peppers and the onions for about 10 minutes. Now all I'm going to do is just pour in the gravy. And we're going to have some good old pepper steak. Also, what I'm going to do is put like 1/4 of water in here. Take the time and just okay, guys, it's the finished project. Look at all that flavor for pepper steak. Look at all that gravy. Now I'm going to turn it off. And I kept it on a medium heat. And over here, I just steamed some rice and put a little parsley flakes on the rice. Make myself a little bit. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that, guys. Let's get little red peppers. That's the best part. And all that gravy. Okay, let me get a fork right here. And I know it's hot, so let me blow it. Let me blow. Get a pepper in here. Nice slices of steak as well. Okay, guys, are you ready? Okay, who wants the first bite? Okay, guys. Woo, nice and hot. Mm. Oh my goodness. All that flavor. Mm.